Good day, and welcome to Zoyol's News. I'm Jaden Will. The United States has stepped up economic pressure on Iran with a new round of sanctions targeting the country's oil exports and cryptocurrency networks. The move is aimed at disrupting key sources of revenue as tensions between Washington and Tehran remain high. This is Zoyol's News. I'm Jaden Will. Let's take a closer look. According to the U.S. Treasury Department, the latest measures target the petroleum business linked to Mohammad Hossein Shamkhani, accused of playing a central role in Iran's oil export network. American officials say the goal is to further weaken the financial channels that support the Iranian government. Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent disclosed that authorities have frozen more than $130 million held in digital wallets connected to Iran's central bank. He said the action aims at a financial channel that has grown more active since the regional conflict escalated. The announcement follows a fourth consecutive day of U.S. military strikes against Iran and the reinstatement of a naval blockade. The International Maritime Organization reports that Iran has also reportedly launched attacks on vessels transiting the Strait of Hormuz. Iran began restricting movement through the Strait of Hormuz, one of the world's key energy shipping routes, after U.S. and Israeli military operations launched in February. Washington previously enforced a blockade on Iranian ports between mid-April and mid-June. The U.S. Treasury Department said these new sanctions are part of a broader effort to increase economic pressure on Iran in response to what it called renewed destabilizing activities in the Strait of Hormuz. The department alleges the Shamkhani network continues to facilitate Iran's oil exports while expanding into international commodities trading. More than 50 individuals, companies and vessels were sanctioned in this round, accused of helping Iranian authorities generate revenue. Officials add that the total number of people, entities and vessels sanctioned under the Shamkhani network has now topped 200. Mohammad Hossein Shamkhani is the son of Ali Shamkhani, a senior security advisor to Iran's supreme leader, Ayatollah Ali Khamenei. Reports indicated that both men died on February 28, the first day of the U.S. and Israeli military campaign that marked the start of the current Middle East conflict. Bessent reiterated that multiple cryptocurrency wallets tied to Iran's central bank were sanctioned, freezing assets worth over $130 million. He said the United States will continue tracking financial networks used to generate revenue for the Iranian government. Analysts note that digital currencies have increasingly been used to bypass long-standing international sanctions on Iran, while also offering businesses and ordinary citizens an alternative means of conducting transactions after years of isolation from the global banking system. That's the latest on the United States' expanded sanctions targeting Iran's oil and cryptocurrency networks. As tensions continue to shape global markets and diplomatic relations, the international community will be watching closely for Iran's response and any further developments. For more breaking news and in-depth coverage, stay with us here on Zoyol's News. I'm Jaden Will. Thanks for watching and have a great day.